Scott Bauer is joining me now for Stacking Up as we take a look at the final trade of the day. I love this. You're talking about Bristol-Myers, and this is a very active trade going on because we do have earnings coming up this week.
Right, they'll be out on Thursday. But, really a surprise to the market late last week after Thursday, so we had one-day trading on Friday. News came out that they were no longer seeking approval for one of their drugs in the pipeline, a lung cancer drug. So we saw the stock drop, about 10% here. So the increased implied volatility, the option volatility that we're seeing was not factoring that in. That really caught the market off guard. The volatility that we're seeing really was kind of priced in for the upcoming earnings, like you said. Now, Bristol really dropped down to a major support area, an area we haven't seen in quite a while, right around that 49.5 area or so. What I really want to do here is play off of two things. I want to sell some premium based on this really expensive implied volatility, the option volatility going into earnings, and I'm basing that Bristol is going to, I don't want to say draw a line in the sand, but really hold that support area right around that area, Angie. I'm not looking for necessarily a big pop back in the stock, but more just kind of a halt to the decline. So I'm going to sell some put spreads in here, really basing it right around that 49.5 area.
Sure.
We'll see what happens later in the week, but like you said, the trade is brisk, and really this news that came out last Thursday after the close really caught traders off guard, on the Friday trade.
Now, I was going to ask you, what about somebody who already is long this stock or is thinking about getting into this stock? Is this a good entry point?
I do believe it's a good entry point. I'm not saying that, you're going to get this, like I said before, this immediate snapback, but historically, great support here. I do think this 49 to 50 area really is a good entry point. If you're already long the stock, might be a time to double up, and I'm not a big fan of just doubling up on a losing position just for the fact of doing it. But the fact that this is a major support level gives some credence to that.
Well, thank you for supporting our show with your trade.
Of course.